Imagine situations where you require additional spares while performing a work on the field. Going all the way to the storeroom and waiting for asset spares is such a waste of time and energy. Let's watch a short video on requesting materials anywhere and everywhere using the EAM360 Mobile app for Maximo. Aaron, a technician in a manufacturing company, has received a work order to repair an HVAC unit. On opening the HVAC unit, he finds one of the air filters slightly clogged. He wants to check if the filter is available in stock for him to replace it. He opens his mobile, checks the stock availability of the spare parts of the HVAC unit on the EAM360 Mobile app, and finds stock available in the nearby storeroom. He then clicks on the Add icon, selects the item and mentions the necessary quantity required, and then submits the request. The EAM360 Storekeeper mobile app notifies the storekeeper about the request. The storekeeper creates an issue document and makes the item ready for pickup. This helps Aaron save considerable time on waiting for the material at the storeroom, making life easier on the field. Thanks for watching.